What's going on? We're gonna do a fishing video today, and we're gonna try to catch a 12-inch crappie and a halfway decent bass, 3-4 pounds. We're gonna take the kayak out, and we're gonna go to a pond where I've caught some nice crappie and nice bass in the years before. Got everything loaded up. Now we're gonna hit the road. We have made it to the spot, and we got the kayak all rigged up, ready to go. What we're trying right now for bass is this guy, which is a Kelly worm. This one's like a dark red color, really good for throwing shallow and being able to get over any trees in the water or grass or anything. It doesn't get caught up in that because it doesn't sink as very much, and you get those very shallow bites. Also, it's a good lure to cast out and just let it sink. Oh my gosh. Literally, as I said that, we got a fish. They come up. And eat the Kelly. Dang. You kind of crush that. Hopefully, we're one about 2-3 times the size of this, but it's a good start. And he got me wet. Nice. With cruising down a little bit of the bank, away from that tree, I just spotted a singular crappie. He got spooked though, so I don't expect him really to bite or anything, but good sign that there is crappie. Alright. We have some sunfish. I don't know if you guys see them. Right there, yeah, you can see. Sunfish followed my worm in, but is not the target species. Oh, fish. Little bass. Nutter. Yeah. Yeah, and I have to try to get out of this wind. There doesn't seem like to be a good spot to do it, but the wind is so cold. It's like 50 degrees maybe, a little chillier, and then you got the wind on top. I feel like it's probably really gonna blow. It's just, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We're already out here. I'm not gonna leave because it's cold, but we're gonna complain because it's cold. But we're not gonna. It's kinda... Got a pretty nice bass. Not the giant, but a pretty nice one. Oh my god. I can grab. Yeah. There he is. Not a bad bass right there. At least. Nice bass right there. Oh, no. I don't think I have him anymore. Dang it. There you go. bass came up. Tried to eat, but then I got snagged. Fish. I just got. Oh my god, he came up that way again. Oh my god. It was a nice bass. Oh man. He crushed it twice. Oh my. That's a nice one. That's a nice bass. That is a 2-pounder right there. He crushed it twice. So I lost him. Look at that. Look at that mouth. Okay, we'll get this big girl back into the water. Yeah, it's just I haven't found crappie today either. I don't know where the crappie are at. I saw 2. That doesn't help. Normally you can find a nice school of them, or you'll see a bunch of them just roaming close to the bank. Today, I saw 2, and that's about it. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, there's a bass. Little one. Maybe. Boom, shakalaka. Yo. There's our fish. So I don't know if you're looking in the sky over there, but a singular cloud looking just like those ones just poured some rain right after I caught that bass. It better not freaking rain. I'm gonna get mad because it's already cold out here. And some water everywhere doesn't sound fun. And would also make it way colder. So we're just gonna hope. Hey, if the wind wants to stop but it wants to rain, I would actually take the rain over the wind. So if we could do a trade-off, I'm down. I'm gonna assume we can do no trade-off, but think sunglasses are cool. I'm not joking. It might be snowing. Like it melted, but it looked like a piece of snow just fell on. Look, oh yes, it's literally snowing. Wait, oh, come on. Okay. It's melted. Just wait. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just basically just going out and fishing. The mission was a nice bass. Got 2, not anything giant, but 2 decent bass I'll take any day of the week. Crappie was the other mish. I don't know where they went. I saw 2 of them. If I see another one on the way back, maybe I'll take a cast. Maybe we'll go. But yeah, thanks for watching. I do want to say, I hope you got outside today, did something you liked, didn't stay inside, didn't just sit on your phone, TV. Get outside, enjoy the nature. Yes, my glasses look sick. Enjoy nature. It might snow on you, but it'll be better than sitting inside doing nothing. So, hope you have a good day.